Hi, Awesomes! In this video, I will be talking about autism. And this is an information video on different things to do with autism. Early signs of autism. People with autism may have delayed speech. Sorry about that, I didn't need to grab that. That means they won't talk at the time they normally would. And non-verbal autistic will not talk at all. They will spin objects. All of these they might not do, but these are things to look out for. They will play alone because they don't like to be with other people. Hyper is a common sign in autism. Sleeping problems, I have that where I can't really, I used to not be able to sleep, so I used to be on different sleeping medication from the doctor. Most of them didn't work. Actually, there was one that worked at one point. And at that point, I could get to sleep. Staying asleep was a problem. And the medication the doctor gave me really did work. Then other times I can't get to sleep, but I would stay asleep when I was asleep. So they're different problems. And won't like to be touched. That includes cuddles, hand being touched, any form of touching. And another one is bowel problems. For me, I have IBS because of autism. So to find out more about IBS, just look it up on Google. And it's bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and you can get all of that with autism as well. Another common sign in people with autism, remember they will not have all of these, and everybody on the autism spectrum is different. Some of them will tiptoe instead of walking everywhere. They won't understand dangers, so they'll ignore them. They'll have sensory problems, and that includes don't like loud noises, lights, stuff like that. But they could be more likely to get depression because they don't quite know how to communicate or tell people their problems, so they could get depressed. And another one is hysterics. I don't have that, so I don't know how to explain that. And more signs to look out for and to see, and all of these are just signs. And to get a proper diagnosis, if you're in the UK, go to CAMS, and they'll do like different tests. Then they'll let you know if you've got autism or not, or if your child got it. They might not respond to their names. Won't know what others are feeling and won't know how to show feelings. Because when someone close to me died at one point, I didn't know how to act. So I told my mum and other people that I don't know how to act, so I might act a bit wrong because I don't know how to really properly act in that situation. But I am really upset about the loss. Or if it's like a happy situation, I might not know how to react. So another one is they might do like different movements. For me, it's this. And this a lot, play with my hair, chew here a lot. I used to bite my knuckle here, like this, but on the other hand. And they are repetitive, but you just do it over and over again. Loads of people with autism does it. And another thing is, you can tell more in boys than girls. So girls with autism might not get diagnosed at all, just because they know how to hide it better. Because girls are more likely to respond to names and verbal cues and stuff like that. They are more social. I'm not, but some I think are. And they might have problems with communication and stuff like that later on than early on. And in boys, they find it hard to do all of that. So it's harder to tell in girls. So yeah, girls are less likely to get diagnosed or will more likely be diagnosed later on in life than boys. If someone you know thinks you got autism, get them to do something about it earlier on when you're in like early years, so you can get the help you need straight away. And in Wales, the thing that we found, I get more help as an adult than what I did as a child. And as a child, I was worse than what I am now. So I should have got more help early on in life. But I didn't. So it made life hard for mum, dad and everybody else around me. So yeah, they should have given me more help when I was a child instead of later on in life. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this information video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you've got any questions, comment them below. Thanks for watching. Bye.